Hey folks, this is Mosha from MOSHA'S Lounge, coming to you from the Dominican Republic. I have two beautiful people here, Addie and Chris from Nigeria, but they live in the States.
That's right.
They just tried my rum punch. They had 4 of them.
Amazing rum punch. This is the best punch I've ever had.
Wow,
and
that's nice.
Everywhere. So,
anywhere,
MOSHA'S
wow.
Lounge, man. Shout out. Come to MOSHA'S Lounge when you come to the Dominican Republic.
That's
Sosua,
that's
come to MOSHA'S.
That's what's up.
And
And his beautiful lady, Nigerian queen. I love African people, man. They are so beautiful. Go ahead, baby.
We had 4 of them. They're so good. I would have more if we had more time, everybody.
We'll be
but
back.
They're so good. We'll be back tomorrow or back whenever before we go. Try this rum punch. It is delicious. Delicious.
Thank you, guys. Now you hear it from my customers, okay? I didn't bribe them. This is their first time here. They just came. The way they walk into the place, I thought they knew me, you know? They just come up like, oh, we saw you online, you know, we got to come check it out. But beautiful people, this is the kind of people that I love to cook for. I made some jerk chicken for them. They enjoyed it very much. So I decided to have a little video for them about the rum punch because they were so excited when they first tasted it.
Great service here too. So definitely make sure you come out here.
Yes. All right. Thank you, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow. It's not the end of it, okay? So we're on the beach here in Sosua, guys. We're on the beach. This is the view you're gonna get. I just don't like to walk too far away from my place, but this beach goes all the way like 287 stores. So when you come to the Dominican Republic, you're not gonna be sitting at some plaza looking at glass windows. You're gonna be looking at the beach, guys, yeah. And look, you're gonna have some chicas to look at, guys, if that's what you like. But but there's lots of things to see. Yeah, there's lots of things to see here. So that's it, guys. If you get a chance, come on down. MOSHA'S Lounge, Dominican Republic.